Here before you is the 4th generation Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you a few interesting facts, some hidden tricks and features you might not know about. So let's move on to hidden feature, hidden information number 1, which is the nameplate. To access it, of course, we need to open the cover of our engine. We use this lever and move over here to open our engine. Of course, here we have a safety latch that we need to release, and here is where our nameplate is located. Here we can read the exact model of the car, the exact engine, meaning this 2 and 4 liter one, types of gearboxes, the color, which is also very nice, and the part number. So that's it when it comes to the first hidden feature. Let's move on to feature number 2. So let's sit behind the wheel of the car. Something I didn't know at first is that we actually have truly luxurious seats here. Of course, the seats are heated and ventilated. I'll just start the engine. Here we can heat these seats. We can ventilate them as well, both the passenger seat and the driver's seat. But there was still one more hidden feature I didn't know about. If we go to the main screen, click on settings, and then go to the seat section, which is for our seats. We can turn on seat massages for both the passenger and the driver. There are 3 massage modes, so we can really take advantage of a lot of cool features. We can decrease or increase the intensity, meaning how strong and how fast the massage should be. This is really a very pleasant feature. Alright, now let's move to the back, to the rear seat. I'll just turn off the engine and we can move on to what's happening in the back. There are also a few hidden features in the back. The first thing is this seat right here. It can serve as a regular seat, but we can also fold it down, and then we have cup holders and spaces prepared for our drinks, so we can easily access these cup holders. We can also transport something longer here, which is also a really nice feature. Fun fact number 3 is the 3-zone air conditioning, so we can set different temperatures for the rear seats. We can also set heating for the rear seats, which is really very pleasant. Another interesting feature is this sunshade right here. As you can see, at each rear window, we can pull out a sunshade. We can easily hook it up right here, and then we can all enjoy some truly pleasant and refreshing shade together. Let's move on to the next trick. So, to the trunk lid, in fact, we can easily open it using this button right here. If we hold it down, the trunk lid should open. If our car is turned off, right now it's running, so it won't open by itself. But with the car off, that's how it works. And what's important here are these buttons on the left side. So for example, we click here, pull, and magic happens. So our rear seat folds down, the other part falls down on this side. Let's take a look. We pull, and now we have the entire cargo space at our disposal. Of course, we can also remove this cover. So in this way, just by using these buttons, we have a beautiful cargo space at our disposal. We don't have to go to the back seat, we just pull and have the full space available. Thank you and see you next time.